Looking for a compact yet powerful hairstyling tool? Meet the Beardo hairstyling gun blower. Small but mighty, it gives you salon quality results in seconds. From volume to sleek styles, it's got you covered. Let's unbox and check it out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Beardo styling gun, a compact, lightweight hair dryer. And guess what? It comes with a roller hair comb too. I snagged this combo pack on Amazon for just $1,199. Link in the description if you want to check it out. Now, let's dive in. Time to cut open the shrink wrap and see what's inside. First up, the roller comb. My little helper, my son, is excited and totally screen bombing this vlog. Say hi to him in the comments. The comb's packaging is pretty neat and the MRP says Rs 200. Let's open it up. The first thing I notice is how lightweight it is. The stem is narrow with a handy hook for hanging, and the bristles have these cool ball tips for a smooth styling experience. This round comb is perfect for adding volume to your hair by lifting the roots while blow drying. And if you wrap sections of your hair around it while applying heat, voila! You get soft curls or waves without needing a curling iron. Now for the star of the show, the Beardo styling gun. The packaging is sleek and eye-catching, with the specs proudly displayed on the front. 2 heat settings plus 1 cool mode, 1100 watt motor for powerful airflow, its unique foldable design. The side lists more goodies like a detachable concentrator nozzle, overheat protection, and its lightweight matte finish, making it travel friendly. The MRP is $1,399 and yes, it's made in China. Let's crack it open. Inside, we have the styling gun wrapped in plastic and a manual with clear illustration for parts, features and maintenance tips. The gun is so compact that at first glance it looks broken, but nope, it's just folded. Once unfolded, it feels like a mini handheld gadget. Lightweight, sleek, and with a matte black finish that gives it a premium look. The branding on the side is classy, and there's mesh filter on the back with the fan at the front. It's got 3 switches for different modes. Cool mode, great for setting your style and minimizing heat exposure. Warm mode, perfect for gentle drying, especially for fine or damaged hair. Hot mode, ideal for quick drying and thicker hair. Just don't overdo it. It comes with a 1.8 meter cord and even a velcro strap for easy cable management. Thoughtful. Now, let's attach the concentrator nozzle. A super handy tool for focused airflow and precision styling. Just push it on, no extra locking needed. And guess what? Holding it in hands gives off major James Bond vibes. Stylish and suave. Time to power up. Let's test the modes. First, the cool mode. A steady, powerful blow, great for gentle drying. Warm mode, lower speed but noticeable heat, good for controlled styling. Hot mode, maximum speed and heat, handles even thick wet hair effortlessly. Now for the real test. First, I used cool mode on my son. He loved it. Then I styled my wife's wet hair using the hot mode. It dried her thick hair surprisingly well for such a compact dryer. Here's the final verdict. The Beardo styling gun is compact, lightweight and travel friendly, making it a great companion for on-the-go styling. With its foldable design, powerful motor and overheat protection, it's a practical and versatile tool for men's grooming. And women can use it too, we tested that. And the roller comb, a fantastic addition for adding volume, curls and waves. For $1,199, this combo is a steal. If you found this review helpful, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and honest reviews. Until next time, stay stylish and keep rocking.